Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today guys, this is Hawaii day 7. We've been here for a week now, and just don't mind the license plates behind me. They're all Hawaiian license plates, and basically we're at a vacation home now, so we've moved. We're no longer at the resort. You guys will see all that in this video, but yeah, I'm just doing my intro here. Looks kind of weird too with all of them backwards, but yeah, anyways, just a cool background to do my intro. But yeah, so basically this vlog, we did some cool stuff on the way, but mainly it was our move from the resort to this house. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm eating it right now. I'm eating it right now.
Hey. Okay guys, so we are leaving this resort now. We're moving on to our next destination. So this will be our last time seeing this view, but it's pretty nice. We don't have like an ocean view or anything, but we got this nice garden, and you can see the other villas and vacation homes over there. It's a pretty nice view, but we won't get to see it again.
Coffee grows 100% Kona coffee in Kona. See? I remember the...
We can do a couple different coffees.
He's so cute, you know that? Huh?
When you guys come in, can you close it? You don't have to
Don't get her any tea. Don't get her any tea.
Ow!
Guys, this little bird just bit my sister. It's being pretty nice to me though. Okay guys, so we've arrived at the final destination of our trip. We're at a house now basically. It's like a cottage almost. I guess you could call it like a vacation home. We stayed at a hotel first, then a resort, and now we're at this vacation home. And yeah, it's nighttime now, but we got some bright lights out here. But yeah, I guess I will show you guys around because we just arrived. Okay guys, so we're actually heading out for dinner, so I'm gonna be either doing my house tour later tonight or maybe tomorrow as well, I'm not sure. But yeah, I will do a house tour soon, because this place is pretty nice and I'd like to show you guys around. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you the house tour now. Basically, just gonna start in the kitchen and we'll just move our way through the house. It's just one floor, but there is quite a lot of rooms actually. It's pretty big too. It's not like a really small place or anything, so yeah. So we have a bunch of windows here at the back of the house. I'm not really sure why, but the whole outer wall of the house here is covered with these windows. Some of them are open too. But they're just all over the back of the house. And then this is a little outdoor area. So guys, this is the little outdoor room. It's raining, so it's pretty loud, but we got these screen windows kind of protecting this room. But there's a nice little bar outside, kind of hard to see in the dark. And there's a huge license plate collection here on the wall, and they're all Hawaiian license plates. So that is pretty cool. We got a little seating area as well. And yeah, it's just a nice little area. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you guys all next time. Goodbye.